A lot has happened from the last time that I was here talking to you. Today is Thursday, December 22nd, 2022, and we are still in Abeokuta, Ogun State, building a 5,000 capacity concrete pond. Since the last video that I posted, a lot of things has happened. A lot of things, like we finished setting the pond, we've done the casting of the block hole, we have plastered both the inside and the outside of the pond, and we are done flooring 2 of the 5 ponds that is going to be on this farm. We are flooring the 3rd pond, and by tomorrow we will be done with everything. Also, we have done the plumbing work, the outlet, and also the inlet. Just about to complete the inlet of the pond, and if that is done, everything is 100% complete. It's been an amazing journey here. We deliver in less than 2 weeks. We've done the floor of the 1st and the 2nd pond, and the 3rd one is almost in completion stage. If you want to do anything like this, send me an email showing on the screen, or send me a WhatsApp message, WhatsApp number showing on the screen and also in the description box. If you have not subscribed, please click on that subscribe button, turn on notification so that you don't miss anything about agriculture both in Nigeria, Africa, and the world in general. Keep on watching, and let's keep sharing the good news of agriculture to the world.
There was once a day that I would pray for you. I'd go and misbehave just so you'd notice too. Sneaking looks up and down from across the room. And damn, what a hell of a view. I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date, you're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight. Don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase. So catch me if I fall. Praying that this night's gonna last. You got it all on tap. I'm loving your vibe, always have your back.
So we are deploying the last pond, and with that we are some hours away from completing this 5,000 capacity pond. Ladies and gentlemen, it's been an amazing journey from the beginning of this project, which started last week, 2 weeks ago exactly, with molding of the blocks, down to when we started the construction. It's almost 5 o'clock in the evening, and the beginning of the flooring of the last pond is what we're doing, the 5th pond to be precise. Just like the way we do previous ponds, the floor is always in a slant mode, which means the back will be high, while the front, where the pipe is, will be low. This is to enable free flow of water. We've done the outlets and also the inlets. We're definitely going to finish this tomorrow.
Like all the same tracks, listen all night in the sheets all black. Said I'm falling fast, don't remember life before you, that's fact. I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date, you're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight. Don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase. So catch me if I fall. Everybody in the world blind? Please wanna be the greatest. Everybody on the fake shit, I look around and feel like everybody is the fakest. I make this every day and I'm impatient, hoping one day I blow up from the basement. Statement, the top is so vacant, I don't hear shit that I think is amazing. Waiting for my day when I'm playing sold out shows for 1,000 faces. Hey, give me that crown, get in my way and to be put down. It ain't your place, all this my town. If I want that shit, then I'll get it right now. I'm losing it, the noose it fits, some loose shit, a stupid myth. You choose to live or choose to dip, you choose to fight or lose your grip and lose.
So it is 6:30 in the evening today, Thursday, December 22, 2022, and we just finished the flooring of the 5,000 capacity concrete pond here in Abeokuta, Ogun State. We've done all 5 ponds, floored everything, and it's completed. Tomorrow every other thing will be completed, including the finishing touches of the inlet pipe as well as the chamber for the outlets. So work is done for the day. I can say it's been an amazing journey here in Abeokuta. If you have not subscribed, click on that subscribe button, turn on notification so that you don't miss anything. It's Friday morning, December 23rd, 2022, and we are doing the finishing touches for the pond. That's going to be doing the chamber for where the water will be flowing through. Once we're done with that, then it is officially the end of constructing this 5,000 capacity concrete pond here in Ogun State, Nigeria.
The gift all. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. Yeah, there's no mercy in this world, just hunger-thirsty persons in different versions. Each new update, that shit worsens. Why? Pull back the curtain and you'll see the different vermin. We all have different burdens that all seem to cause disturbance. Yo, do me a favor.
Exactly 10 days since we started this, working every day down to the moments in which we are now. It's been amazing from beginning up to this moment. Everything regarding the pond, the inlet, the outlets, the flooring, the plastering, everything is done. It's just the drainage system that it's...
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. That's it, the end of the song. Next time you'll sing along. Trust me, there's nothing wrong. I just need to carry on, cause society's a myth put there to make you sit. Listen to what they give, don't ask questions, shut your lid.
Officially, we've come to the end of constructing this 5,000 capacity concrete pond here in Abeokuta, Ogun State. It's been an amazing journey. It took us just 10 days to start and complete this project. From the very beginning of setting the block down to doing the outlet and the inlet, and even constructing the drainage, the chamber and the drainage to the point where the waste is going to be going. This brings us to the end of this project in Abeokuta, and which is officially the end of the project for 2022. Thank you to everyone that has been a support of this channel and that has been a support of this brand from the beginning of the year 2022 down to the last project that we execute in 2022, which is this 5,000 capacity concrete pond in Abeokuta, Ogun State. See you in 2023, and keep on watching, keep on subscribing, and keep on supporting the brand. If you want to do any of this, like I always say, you can send me an email or send me a WhatsApp message. Email is showing on the screen and the number is showing on the screen and also in the description box. Thank you and God bless. See you in 2023.